Every year on the 3rd or 4th of February, after the long stillness of winter, the earth has finally released a clear and steady call. Beginning of spring is not the end of cold, but the moment spring makes a decision. Look outside your window. The soil is quietly softening. The grip of frost is loosening. Daylight is visibly growing longer. Sunlight begins to dance along the southern slopes. This is a fire of metabolism, reigniting the engine of the planet. Even the wind has changed. No longer the piercing breath of the north, but air carrying moisture and the scent of earth. Like someone waking from deep sleep, kicking away a heavy blanket, roots are stirring, beehives are humming. This is the most delicate moment of the year, and also the bravest. Your nervous system is beginning to realign with the light. Dopamine and serotonin are slowly rising, trying to clear the winter fog from your mind. But this returning energy can feel unsteady, like an engine warming up. You may feel tired and excited at the same time. Notice this. Your pores, these tiny biological windows, are gradually opening. You may become more sensitive to the outside world. Colds and allergies are common in this season. Your body is trying to release what winter stored. If too much heaviness built up, you may feel irritable, low, or suddenly emotional. Remember one simple principle. Encourage gentle flow, not intense burning. Support the body as it naturally thaws, instead of forcing it to rush. Spring is arriving, and with it, new sensitivities. Wind can carry away the energy you saved all winter. Keep your neck warm. Protect your back. If your eyes feel dry, red, or tired, let them rest. Look into the distance. If you've been feeling impatient, it may be rising energy meeting resistance. Stretch sideways. Let the body open. Your digestion is still waking from winter mode. Don't rush into heavy meals just yet. Let it catch up with the season. In the morning, step into the sunlight for 10 minutes. Help your internal clock restart. Move your body for 15 minutes each day. A brisk walk or gentle twisting motions to slowly unwind stiffness. Eat fresh, tender greens, bean sprouts, bamboo shoots, leafy vegetables. They are the metabolic spark of spring. Open your windows. Let the air move through your home. This is only the starting phase. It is not yet time to run at full speed. There is an old tradition in early spring called biting the spring. When you bite into crisp vegetables, what you're really breaking is winter's heaviness. At your table this season, remember 4 things: warm, simple grains, a touch of gentle spice, light sources of protein, and fresh green vegetables. A bowl of warm porridge with a hint of scallion and ginger is how the body recognizes spring. Now, bring your attention back to your body. Close your eyes. Imagine a small green shoot growing upward through dark soil. Find the hollow on the top of your foot. Press gently. Let your emotions find a way to move. You are not behind. You are simply beginning to grow. Let the roots stretch first. The blossoms will follow. Take a sip of warm water. Breathe in slowly. Spring has already begun.